Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Marque here, and today we're diving into some mind-blowing AI breakthroughs that you absolutely need to see to believe. We're talking about AI that can create art like a digital Picasso, cars that drive themselves better than some people I know, just kidding, maybe, and even AI that's straight up changing the game in healthcare. We're gonna break down the coolest advancements, see how this tech is already changing our world, and try to wrap our heads around what the future holds. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to explore the wild world of AI. Let's get into it. First up, we're jumping into the world of AI art. I'm talking about algorithms that can whip up some seriously impressive pieces of art, from paintings that look like they belong in a museum to photorealistic images that'll make you question reality. One of the craziest things about these AI art generators is how easy they are to use. We're talking about typing in a few words, hitting a button, and boom, you've got a masterpiece. Some of these tools even let you customize things like art style, color palettes, and composition so you can really get your creative juices flowing. Now, I know what you're thinking, Mark. Is this going to put artists out of business? And that's a valid question. But honestly, I think AI art is more about collaboration than competition. It's like having a super-powered creative assistant that can help artists bring their wildest ideas to life. Think about it. You can use AI to generate different concepts, experiment with new styles, or even just get past that dreaded artist block. Plus, it's opening up the world of art creation to anyone with an internet connection, regardless of their artistic skills. Some of the big players in the AI art game right now are DALL-E 2, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion. These tools are all capable of generating some seriously mind-blowing art, and they're constantly being updated with new features and capabilities. But it's not just about the tech, right? The real magic happens when human creativity meets AI's power. We're already seeing artists use these tools to create stunning pieces that push the boundaries of what's possible. So whether you're a seasoned artist or just someone who appreciates a good masterpiece, AI art is definitely something to keep your eye on. All right, folks, let's switch gears and talk about self-driving cars. We've been hearing about them for years, but it seems like the future is finally here. We're talking about cars that can navigate traffic, park themselves, and even order you a pizza on the way home. Okay, maybe not that last one yet, but a man can dream, right? Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are leading the charge, putting some serious miles on their autonomous vehicles and constantly refining their technology. And let me tell you, the advancements they've made are insane. We're talking about cars that can see the world around them in 3 dimensions, using a combination of cameras, radar, and LiDAR. They can detect pedestrians, cyclists, other cars, and even those pesky squirrels that love to play chicken with your bumper. And the best part? They're getting smarter all the time. These cars are constantly learning from their experiences, thanks to machine learning algorithms that analyze massive amounts of data. Every time one of these self-driving cars encounters a new situation, it's like it's getting a crash course, no pun intended, in how to handle it better next time. Now, I know some of you are probably thinking, Mark, I don't trust a computer to drive me around. And hey, I get it. Trusting a machine with your life is a big ask. But the truth is, these self-driving systems are already proving to be safer than human drivers in many situations. They don't get distracted by text messages, they don't get tired or drowsy, and they're always paying attention to the road. Plus, they're programmed to follow traffic laws and make safe, calculated decisions. All jokes aside, autonomous vehicles have the potential to revolutionize transportation as we know it. We're talking about safer roads, less traffic congestion, and maybe even a future where we can all just sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go pre-order my self-driving pizza delivery car. Game on. Let's talk about something that hits close to home for everyone: healthcare. And no, I'm not talking about those fitness trackers that tell you you've only taken like 200 steps all day, no judgment though. I'm talking about how AI is stepping into the world of medicine and shaking things up in a big way. We're talking about AI that can diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, personalized treatment plans, and even assist surgeons in the operating room. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening right now. One of the most promising areas of AI in healthcare is medical imaging. Think about it. Radiologists have to analyze tons of images every day. X-rays, Connecticut scans, MRIs, And it can be tough to spot those tiny details that might indicate a problem, but AI is like a superpowered detective, able to pick out those subtle abnormalities with incredible precision. And it's not just about detection. AI can also help doctors predict how a disease might progress, allowing them to intervene earlier and potentially improve patient outcomes. It's like having a crystal ball that can see into the future of your health, but hopefully it's a little more accurate than those carnival ones. Researchers are developing AI-powered systems that can analyze massive amounts of patient data, medical records, genetic information, lifestyle factors to identify patterns and predict health risks. This kind of personalized medicine could revolutionize the way we approach healthcare, tailoring treatments to each individual patient's needs. And let's not forget about the robots. Okay, maybe not the kind that are going to steal our jobs, hopefully. But surgical robots are already assisting surgeons with complex procedures, providing greater precision and control than ever before. It's like having a steady-handed, super precise assistant surgeon who never gets tired or needs a coffee break. Look, AI is an incredible tool, but it's just that, a tool. It's not about replacing doctors, but about empowering them with information and technology to make better decisions and provide better care. But seriously, AI is poised to transform healthcare in ways we can only imagine. From earlier diagnoses to more effective treatments, AI has the potential to help us live longer, healthier lives. Let's talk about something common in our lives, talking to machines. And no, not yelling at your printer when it jams. I'm talking about natural language processing, or NLP, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, and chatbots for customer service. NLP has come a long way. Remember speaking in robotic voices for your phone to understand? Those days are gone. Now you can talk to your devices like a real person. NLP is also good at reading and writing text. AI can translate languages, summarize documents, and write creative content. It's like having a multilingual, super efficient writing assistant. Just imagine, hey Google, write me a sonnet. Boom, done. Poetry slam, here I come. NLP isn't just about convenience and entertainment. It can revolutionize communication and access to information. Imagine a world where language barriers are gone thanks to real-time translation, or accessing information from anywhere by speaking your query. Of course, NLP still has its quirks, like setting a reminder for 12:01 a.m. instead of tomorrow morning. But even with misinterpretations, NLP is becoming seamless in our lives. So next time you're asking Siri for directions or chatting with a bot, appreciate the power of NLP. Finally, let's talk about something near and dear to my heart: gaming. And no, I'm not talking about those mobile games where you spend more time watching ads than actually playing. No shade, though. I'm talking about how AI is changing the game, literally, in the world of video games. We're talking about smarter NPCs that can actually challenge you, game worlds that evolve based on your choices, and even AI that can design entire games from scratch. It's like having a team of virtual game developers working tirelessly to create the most immersive and engaging gaming experiences possible. One of the coolest applications of AI in gaming is in the development of non-player characters, or NPCs. Remember those days when NPCs would just stand there repeating the same lines of dialogue over and over again? Yeah, those days are gone. Thanks to AI, NPCs are becoming more realistic and engaging than ever before. We're talking about characters that can learn your playstyle, adapt to your strategies, and even surprise you with their actions. It's like playing against a real human opponent, except this opponent doesn't rage quit when they're losing. But AI in gaming goes way beyond just smarter NPCs. It's also being used to create more dynamic and immersive game worlds. We're talking about environments that react to your actions, stories that branch off in different directions based on your choices, and even entire worlds that are procedurally generated by AI. Just imagine, you're exploring a vast, open world, and the AI is generating new quests, characters, and even entire regions based on your actions. And let's not forget about the AI that's actually designing games. That's right, researchers are developing AI systems that can analyze existing games, learn what makes them fun, and then use that knowledge to create entirely new games from scratch. Look, AI is an incredible tool, but it's just that, a tool. It can help us create more immersive and engaging games, but it can't replace the creativity, passion, and artistry of human game developers. But seriously, AI is poised to revolutionize the gaming industry in ways we can only imagine. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some AI-powered gaming to do. All right, folks, that's a wrap on these unbelievable AI breakthroughs. From AI that can create art like a digital Da Vinci to self-driving cars that are hopefully smarter than a bag of hammers, AI is changing the world as we know it. And we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which AI breakthrough blew your mind the most. Are you ready for a future with AI art galleries, robot doctors, and games designed by algorithms? Let me know in the comments down below. Catch you in the next one. Peace.